everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I want to talk to you about sewing some summer tops, and I'll show you two that I've made recently, so actually three. So let's get started. So welcome and welcome back to the channel. My name is Denise, and on this channel I like to share sewing and some fashion and some style, and that is what we're going to talk about today, is sewing. So the first thing that I made recently is this Linda Tunic. This is an Angela Wolf pattern, and it's called the Linda Tunic. I believe you can buy this PDF. I don't know if she has the printed pattern, but I'll leave a link for that. Now, I've made two of these recently. The first one I did was in white, and of course I will show you pictures. I used some white seersucker that I honestly found in my stash and really didn't know that I had. So that was a quick make. Now, with my Linda Tunic that I made, I did make it short sleeve. So I think the sleeves go just above the elbow, which is really nice. It's a perfect length for a sleeve with something like this, especially with the seersucker. It's an easy top to make, and it's very comfortable to wear, and it's stylish. It's like a classically styled tunic top. So that was the first one I made. The next one that I did is a blush pink is the name of the color. This is fabric that I was gifted from Minerva, and it is one of my latest Minerva makes. I'm a Minerva brand ambassador, and this one is made from a stretch woven slub linen look fabric. So yeah, that's a whole mouthful, but that is what the fabric is, and it is perfect for any kind of a summer top in particular. I still have some of this fabric left, but I was wanting to do some shorts, but it is a bit thin, like see-through, so I would have to line them. So I have not done that yet, but it's really perfect for a top. It is light and really breezy and really comfortable to wear. So that was the one that I did as a Minerva project. That one, I will leave you a link for that fabric if you like. I believe they did have several colors, so you can check that out if you like on their minerva.com website. Now, the next thing that I actually just finished not long ago, also made from seersucker. This is seersucker that I also found in my stash. It's a yellow and white, and I made McCall's 7390. This pattern is from 2016. It's older than I thought, but I've never made it before. And what I did is I made view A, which is this one here. I did not have the stripes go different directions. I had thought about that, but when I cut it out, that didn't happen. So I just made just the regular top. This was something that was pretty quick to make. It really took me about a day and a half to put it together. It was actually a really good project to sort of get me back into sewing after taking a little bit of a break after making those two Linda Tunics and just kind of not doing much sewing. This McCall's pattern here, this was just perfect because it was quick and easy, and things like that I really like to do when I'm trying to figure out what else I want to sew, because I can always use the top. So that one was the most recent thing that I did finish. Now, I also wanted to show you a few other patterns that you could use, and these are some different styles that might give you some inspiration to make your own summer tops. McCall's 7889. Now, you've seen this dress that I made, but in this pattern is also this top, and I think this would actually be a really cute top pattern, and the dress was not difficult to make. So I would think that the top would probably even be a little bit easier and quicker to make. Another one is New Look 6720. This one here, this one is still available on the Simplicity website. I've not made this one, but it's a crossover top, and you've got view B here with the short sleeves. So something like that could be a really perfect and stylish top to make as well. And I got one more to share with you. This one I've also not made yet, but this one is a style arc pattern, and it's called the Meg Raglan Tee, and I'll find it on their website and leave you a link for this. This one I bought because it is a woven t-shirt. They suggest things like silk and crepe. So that means you're going to have something with a good amount of drapiness to it, flowy fabrics as I like to call them. But like I said, it is actually for a woven t-shirt, and I thought that was just really interesting. So that's why I actually purchased that pattern. And in looking for different patterns that I have in my stash, I was glad that I did come across that one, because now I may find some fabric here that I can use to make that one, because I honestly, when you got a lot of patterns, sometimes you forget what you have. So that one I think would be a good one. Like I said, that one is available, I'm sure, on the Style Arc website, and I can leave you a link for that as well. So friends, that is it for this little video. I just wanted to come in and give you an update on a couple of things that I've been working on. And I think that this time, as it's getting hotter and summer is here, it's the perfect time to make yourself some summer tops. So I wanted to give you a few different options and different style options, design options for some summer tops. But I thank you all for watching. Please go ahead, hit like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload a new video. But like I said, I thank you all for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.